A child slides from rest down slide A and B as shown in this figure. The slides are of same height. The height is same. H is same in both the cases. And the coefficient of friction is there between the slide and the child is same. Mu is same for both the cases. Which of the following compares the change in the kinetic energy capital K of the child and change in the potential energy U of the child earth system for the two slides? So in case A and case B, if you see, so this is the initial point and this is the final point. Similarly, initial point and this is the final point. I can write F, initial point is I. Initial point is this and final point is this. So we know that the change in potential energy is equal to mgh. It only depends on the height. So in both the cases A and B, the height is same. So I can write that UA is equal to mgh and the potential energy in the B case is equal to mgh. So UA is equal to UB. Means the change in potential energy is same in both the cases. Now let's talk about the kinetic energy. When the child is at the starting point of the slide, it would have zero kinetic energy because the velocity is zero. It has only potential energy which is mgh. And this energy would be converted in friction and to kinetic energy. So when he slides down, there would be friction. So this energy would be converted to work overcoming the friction and the final kinetic energy or the final velocity. So which have more friction would have less kinetic energy at the end and which have less friction would have greater kinetic energy at the end. And this friction is equal to work due to friction would be equal to F into S. Because the friction force is same in both the cases, because the coefficient is same in both the cases, only the distance is changing. The distance it is covering, this is less and this is greater. So in the case of A, the distance is less than the distance of B. The work done to overcome the friction in this case would be less than the work done in overcoming this friction in B. So that's why the kinetic energy in B would be less than the kinetic energy of A. So kinetic energy would be A because the work lost in overcoming the friction is less, whereas in B there would be more friction, more work would be consumed in overcoming the friction and the final kinetic energy would be less. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please like it and subscribe the channel. We will bring more problems along with the solution. So if you have any query, then you can WhatsApp me. If you want a private tuition from me, then you can scan this or send me an email on forcetra.physicss@gmail.com. See you in the next video.